doing freaking well. So, not really what I hoped for today, actually. Because, hurricane, like, terribly messed up our things. So hopefully Wednesday, me and Butler are going to be able to come over here and ride. But that's not what this video is about. I'm not talking this video. We are freaking riding. No matter the conditions, we're gonna ride. We got a whole new revamp to the field, dude. I mean, the field has an entire new revamp. New turns, freaking new racetrack right here now, dude. This wind is not about to be good for y'all, dude. I just now thought about that. Man, the wind on this is about to be bad. This is not about to be a quality video. You guys probably can't even hear me right now. But dude, entire new revamp. You guys aren't supposed to see that yet. We got freaking big news here. Couldn't build it where we wanted to. I know I hyped you guys all up for that, but we cannot build it where we wanted to, so we had to build it over here, dude. But I'm telling you, this is by far better. Right now, we're gonna do an entire build series on it because we're gonna put jumps, berms, ruts. We're gonna put all that kind of stuff into it. It's right behind our house. We got a freaking gate drop too right here, dude. If you want to call it that. But yeah, we're about to go ride it. And I'll tell you, and then we'll just go rip it and rip it. The ground's kind of still a little bit soft, but it's all right. All right, here we go, baby.